Good evening, we have an urgent weather alert. Super Typhoon Uan, international name Feng Wong, is rapidly approaching, posing an immediate and severe threat to Luzon and the Bicol region. Tropical cyclone wind signal number 5 is raised over Polio Islands, northern Camarines Norte, eastern Camarines Sur, and Catanduanes. Signal number 4 is up in eastern Quezon, the rest of Camarines Norte and Camarines Sur, and northeastern Albay. Provinces such as Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, and Aurora are already experiencing strong winds and heavy rainfall. We have the following public storm warning signals in effect. All government agencies are on full alert. Preemptive evacuations are underway, and rescue assets, lifeboats, and relief goods have been deployed to high-risk areas. As of 10 a.m. today, the eye of Uan was located over the coastal waters of Pandan, Catanduanes, with maximum sustained winds of 185 km per hour and gusts of up to 230 km per hour. We will continue to provide updates as the situation evolves. Stay tuned to this station for the latest information from PAGASA and local authorities. Your safety is our top priority. Please take all necessary precautions. All networks will be gonna to shut down prematurely because of the Super Typhoon Uan. We will gonna end all broadcast. Tonight all first-class telephones will be state control. This is the Philippine Roblox National Telecommunications Commission. Thank you.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, hanap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay.
Lupang hinilang, duyan ka ng magiting.
Sa manlulupi, di ka masisingil.
Sa dagat ang tulong, sa simoy at sa langit mong lugaw. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal.
Ang iskap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning.
Ang bituin at araw na kailan pa may